Hi, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove and replace the driver's side seatbelt. If you're a returning viewer, great, give us a thumbs up, and if you're a new viewer, consider hitting that subscribe button down there and give us a thumbs up as well. Also, I want to try and get this video here to 1,000 likes. If not, up in the cards here somewhere there'll be a link to another video that's almost at 1,000 likes. Head over to that one and be sure to give that one a like if you've not done so already. So, with that all said, let's crack on and get this seatbelt changed out, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is push the seat forwards and lift it up. And that will give you access to the bolt behind here and allow you to remove the trims. So with the seat lifted right up and shifted forwards, you want to locate the T50 bolt at the bottom, just here. You want to undo that with a T50 ratchet. And set this to the side because you're going to need this to replace your new one. What we do is you just lift this up and it comes out. So now we're going to remove the upper trim and the lower trim, and I'm going to start off by removing the rubber bit around the edge of the door frames just to give me a bit more leverage to get in there with the trim removal tools. So I'm going to start off by pulling this out. Just pop off, give it a couple of yanks, it'll come out. So with this piece moved to help get some levy behind this top piece. Okay, we're now going to remove the airbag cover very carefully to reveal a screw behind there. And when you get down here, there are screws holding the top of this piece, lower part, in as well. So I'm going to set the camera aside and do that. So using a small flathead screwdriver, I'm just going to gently pull this cover out to reveal Phillips behind it, and I'm going to undo that. And with that removed, this will pop off. So with the top cover out the way and lower down, it will reveal a 17mm bolt right here and the two Phillips here and here. So let's get them out of the way. And then you want to undo the two Phillips here and here so you can lower this part of the trim. Then using your trim removal tool, you want to just pry out this lower part. Okay, that's come off. Don't really matter because you can put that back. So now we're going to remove the lower part of the trim. Okay, so same procedure. Once you've got the two Phillips out of the way out here, I've tucked everything around the back here carefully. You get your trim removal tool and you just want to come around the back and gently prise it out of the way. Yeah. Like so. So as you can see, I've got the lower trim panel off. You've got a 7mm bolt just here, and you've got your T50 down the bottom just here behind. Let's lower this down so you this here is T50 as well. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use a 7 ratchet and remove up the top. Once you've cracked it off, you could probably undo it by hand. Like so. And again, always keep the bolts because they've got to be replaced. They've got to be put back in. So that should slide up and out, like so, leaving just the T50 piece at the bottom here. So let's show the camera. Let's just move that down so you can see. I've got my T50 piece, and we're going to crack it loose down here. Then when you can, you should be able to undo it by hand. Take support of the actual bracket. Just get the piece and lift up and out. And that's it. This is out. And all you've got to do is feed this through here and pop it off. Job done. This is the old mechanism, all out. So that's how you remove the seat belt. You want to keep some of the bolts, like I say, because you're going to need to put them back in. Like so, put them to the side, and bin it or keep it, because you can send these off to a company. There's a link in the description to the company, and he will actually replace the webbing on these for a fee. I've used him. He's the guy that's sent me my new one. Let me just grab that now. Okay, here's my new one. As you guys know, wouldn't be me if I went and put an ordinary black webbing seatbelt back in. So do you know what I've got in here? I have had it open because I've had to check it. The lad asked me to check it. So first time on camera, I'm going to reveal to you. You ready for this? It's all out. Do it off. Let's get it out and not try and show you guys. I've got it out. There you go. So let me move the camera back a little bit. So I'm going to show you now the new one. As I said, it wouldn't be me and it wouldn't be right of me, knowing the theme of my car, to put an ordinary black one back in. Why do I keep looking over it? The lens ain't to the side. I'm looking at myself. So it wouldn't be me if I put an ordinary black one back in, knowing the theme of my car. So do you know what I've had done? Worth every penny. Ready for this? Hit that like button. Hey, it's purple, and it's like this because to stop it reading up and then it getting locked. So I've put a little bit of plastic in there to stop it doing that. But look at that. That is really swanky. That's really nice. I like that. So basically I'm going to put this in now, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like with it all installed. So taking this out is the exact same as taking it out. You know, you just put it all back in. I'm going to crack on and get this back in. Then I'll show you it afterwards, all back in. So there it is, guys. It's in, and I like it. I'm really impressed with it. Must admit though, it was a bit of a ball ache putting it back in. I had a bit of a problem. You know, the mechanism decided it was going to jam, and I couldn't release it, so I had to take the whole thing apart again to try and release the mechanism, and that ain't any easy task, I'll tell you. But for me, that was worth it. For me, as I say, this is the finishing touch for the inside of the car. I absolutely love it. Really chuffed with this. In the description, like I say, in the description there's a link to the guy that done this for me. They're not exactly what I'd say cheap, but they're not expensive. But the quality on them are by far superior. They're absolutely brilliant. So this is the driver side one. I'm going to now crack on with the passenger side and the rears. And hopefully, if you like this, give us a good thumbs up. I want to get this video to 1,000 likes if I can do. So once again, thanks for joining us. Thanks for watching this painstaking video. Off camera, like I say, I've run into that little problem with the mechanism where it all locked up, so I sorted that out off camera and put it all back in. And I'll tell you what, this, fantastic. It just sets it off. So a big shout out for the guy that done it, Jason his name is. And yeah, check his stuff out over in the link. Turnaround time was about 10 days, give or take. So yeah, I'm going to get the rest all fitted, and we'll see you in the next video, which will be about the painting, about time of the painting of the alloy wheels. So just taking time with that and getting it done properly. So cheers for watching. Tune in next time on the next video, and for now, enjoy. Thank you very much.